Hello, Tara here. So, what's today? Today is July the 7th? Yeah. 2024. So we just finished up the last Christy's Beautiful Life 30 Days of Sketches, and that was round 15, right? I have yet to finish one. I started with series 11 and I have yet to finish all of the sketches. I have page kits made for all of the sketches. I just haven't done all of the sketches. Some of them I have pulled, like I know with the series 14, I ended up pulling some of the page kits that I'd already made and using like the new Mercy Tear kit. I made page kits for that and I just wanted to use it. So I set these aside and now I have a surplus of page kits that hadn't been assigned. So I went through yesterday and I matched up what I've got to the sketches as best I can. So for series 11, I have 2 left. I have one by Julie Moreau and I have one by Sarah's Pretty Paper. That was actually a bonus sketch, but anyway, it's a 2-pager. I'm just gonna do a 1-page and kind of make it my own, but I just want to be able to see that I've done them, you know? So I'm gonna kind of work through. So it's this here. We've got a circle element. We've got some bits in behind. Looks like maybe a 4x6 photo. I didn't even really look at this. I just looked to see that I had the photo was decent. And so this, I don't even have a date on it. Oh my gosh. That's going back quite a few years because this is in Jen and Andy's old house before they had Cameron, the little guy that I've been scrapping a lot lately. Oh my God, and that's Paul. I'm Will. They're all so little and I'm skinny. Anyway. Yeah. So, what is this? I think, is it a scrap room? Yeah, it's a scrap room from December 2023. It's 49 a Market Christmas Spectacular. So it looks like I've pulled these papers to use, but I would have pulled them for a different sketch. So let's see if we just can't make it work for this one still. I'm going to set these aside. Let's have a boo here. So we need a circular piece in the middle and then some little pieces. So what have we got for paper? We have a stripe and we have a piece of black cardstock and a check. And the text. Okay. What do I want to do? So you know what might be fun is if we use that for our background, if I matted it like so, right? And then for the centerpiece, we could either go with, say, this or that, or because I'll gut this, I could actually cut it at that. Kind of like this, right? And then we're not even touching this one yet. Although, then, well, I've got a couple of the 6x8 papers here, and they're double-sided. So I could, let's say, mat. If I do this right and plan ahead, I could mat it on the black. And then I just have to make sure I've got enough so that the circle is big enough to cover it, and I don't think I can do it. Okay, let's forget about that. Or, what if we did this? Okay, regroup that with this, and then, oh, but then there's not enough to mat with, if that's the, or, Jesus, do the circle out of this, then I can save this extra piece for another layout to, right? And then we're still needing to mat and do those strips. Well, there's more 6x8 papers here. Let's have a look what we got. Okay, so we need, let's say 1 to mat the photo, and then say 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's say 5 strips to go in behind. 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh no, she maybe got 6. But they're not full strips, they're just little pieces. So if we cut this right, it'd be nice to have the poinsettia as part of the I don't think I want to get into yellow. The green would work. It's a shame to waste these images though, isn't it? Maybe it would be better to bust into one of these other pattern papers. So much for making a page kit to save time, eh? And I think, I want to say I bought a couple myself. No, not for this. That was for something else. Okay. Oh, there's red and black here cardstock. If I wanted to use this to mat with, to save the pattern paper. That one out. And okay. You know what? Rather than have you watch me lose my mind trying to figure this out, I'm gonna go away, do some stuff, and come back. But I think we'll do this, and this in, no, that in the center. Yeah, for a bit of, wow, that, no, jeez, this, yeah, that's a decision. Okay, back soon. Okay, I think I'm done. Let's see. This was a bit of a mess. Because the photo was a 5x7 as opposed to what I believe probably was a 4x6, a lot of that background circle got covered up, but that's fine. A lot of piecing, and I did some fussy cutting to replace these bits here, so I've got things coming out the sides. And I'm just going to use this All Is Merry, All Is Bright as my title. I'm not gonna, there's enough going on without adding anything further. And I just added some Heidi Swap gold shine, but feels good to get that done. So that is day 30 from Christy's Beautiful Life 30 Days of Sketches, series 11, by Julie Moreau. And I've only got one left, and then we can call number 11 done. So I'm hoping to maybe just do, say, one a week to just, you know, keep up with my current things that I want to do. But I'd like to get these these finished up because I've started making kits for the next Christy's Beautiful Life, and I'm running out of room. So anyway, that's from the scrap room, and from December this past year, 49 in Market. What was it? Christmas Spectacular or something like that? I don't even know. Should look that up. It's in the branding strip here. Yeah, Christmas Spectacular. Anyway, pretty happy with that. Now that it's done, it's somewhat, I don't know, I figure like it's pretty close enough. I love how it turned out though, at the end of the day. I'm gonna have to trim this little bit off so it'll fit in the page protector, maybe just the tip of that one, but otherwise, is good. Okay, so thanks very much for stopping by. Hope you're having a good day, and we will talk to you again soon. Thanks, bye.